Hello, good evening. My warm greetings to all of you, my beloved students, your families, friends, colleagues, and well-wishers. On this beautiful occasion of Holy Cross Reunion 2010, it is indeed my good fortune, honor, and pleasure to be among you, at least by audiovisual means. Being your teacher and witnessing your steady growth, progress, and development as brilliant students has been one of the most beautiful phases ever of my life. And I am wonderfully pleased, happy, and thankful to God that you still remember and recognize my little role in your life. No remarks go on your calendar tonight. Simply enjoy every moment. Be happy for what you are and have achieved so far. May the love of God surround you and protect you wherever you may be on this planet Earth. And a mighty word of praise for tonight's brave and worthy organizers. I know they have been through a lot to organize this occasion, but congratulations to them once again for their brave effort. It's not an easy task to organize such a function and on this scale. So appreciate their efforts. They have taken a brave, strong step, and they are all set to make this event much bigger and grander. That's what one of the organizers was telling me. I'm not going to name any one of them because that would be unfair to the entire team. Take care. Keep smiling, keep rocking. God bless you all. Have a wonderful time tonight. You look all beautiful tonight. Cheers. All the best. Moa, I love you all.